Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine in your home. Okay, students, this is your English period and this is your English workbook. Come on, open it and start work.
Good morning, students. How are you? Students, this is your English workbook and today we are going to write letter Z. This is capital Z and this is small z. Come on, students, open your book. Well done, students. This is capital Z and this is small z. First of all, color all these pictures. Alright, and then write letter Z. Students, now first of all, make a capital Z. For making a capital Z, start from the top and make a slipping line towards the right. And then make a slipping line down. Well done. Make a slanting line down. Now again, draw a slipping line towards the right. Well done, students. This is capital Z. Now we are going to write small z. Start from the middle and make a slipping line down. And then make a slanting line down. And make a slipping line towards the right. Well done, students. This is small z. Well done, students. I hope you understand my video. Allah Hafiz.